Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn about correct pronunciation. Receipt is wrong. Correct is receipt. Fillet, wrong. Fillet, fillet, correct. Yacht, wrong. Yacht is correct. Boutique, wrong. Boutique, correct. Vegetable, wrong. Vegetable is correct. Mischievous, wrong. Mischievous is correct. Samsung is wrong. Samsung. Probably is wrong. Probably. Saloon is wrong. Salon is correct. Clothes is wrong. Clothes is correct. Nike is wrong. Nike is correct. Meme is wrong. Meme. Divorce is wrong. Divorce is correct. Across is wrong. Across is correct. Buffet is wrong. Buffet is correct. Onion is wrong. Onion. Onion is correct. Data is wrong. Data is correct. Nuclear is wrong. Nuclear is correct. Woman is wrong. Women is correct. Bowl is wrong. Bowl is correct. Promotion is wrong. Promotion is correct. Yuki is wrong. Yoke is correct. Colleague is wrong. Colleague is correct. Desert is wrong. Desert is correct. Dengue is wrong. Dengue. Dengue. Often wrong. Often is correct. Bowl is wrong. Bowl is correct. Suit is wrong. Sweet is correct. Coupon is wrong. Coupon is correct. Chassis is wrong. Chassis is correct. Restaurant is wrong. Restaurant is correct. Pronunciation is wrong. Pronunciation is correct. Clothes is wrong. Clothes is correct. Chaos is wrong. Chaos is correct. Yolki is wrong. Yolk is correct. Coat is wrong. Coat is correct. Entrepreneur is wrong. Entrepreneur is. Tomb is wrong. Tom is correct. Tom. Suit wrong. Sweet. Much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update.